Hello, my dear students. In this video now, I am going to explain the exercise 6.1 of your textbook that is related to the addition and subtraction of polynomials. The topic addition and subtraction of polynomials I have already explained in one of my previous video. If you have not watched yet, you can watch that video. The link for the video is already given. Okay, so you can watch that video, and now let us try to understand what is exercise 6.1. Okay, so first question is, which of the following are like terms? So as I already explained in my first video of this chapter, the basic properties of the basic things related to the algebraic expressions. So what are the like terms? If the variables of the terms are same, then they can be called as like terms. So you know how to find out that whether they are like terms or not. Just see the variable, not the constants, just see the variable. As in the first question, 8ab and minus 10ba. ab and ba, they both are same. The powers are also same. Here the power of a is 1. In this term also power of a is 1. b is 1, b is 1. So they both are like terms. In the second one, 23a square b and ab square. They both are not like terms, because here the power of a is 2 and in this term the power of a is 1. Here the power of b is 1, the power of b is 2 in the second term. So they are not like term. Like that you can find out whether they are like or not like terms. In the second question, which of the following are not polynomial? So remember students, whenever the variable is in denominator, if the variable is in denominator, or the power of variable is negative, or if the power of variable is in fraction form. Okay, if the power of variable is negative, if the power of variable is in fraction, or if the variable is written in the form of square root or anything, there are few cases when we can say that this is not a polynomial. What are the cases? The first case, if the power of variable is negative, then it cannot be a polynomial. Second case, if the power of variable is in the form of fraction, then also we can say that it is not a polynomial. Third case, if the variable is in denominator of any term, denominator, okay, variable goes into the denominator, then also that cannot be a polynomial. And the fourth case is, if the variable is written in the form of roots, just like it is written here 3 under root x, then also it cannot be a polynomial. So in the first case it is a polynomial, yes. In second case it is not a polynomial, because here y power minus 2 is there, so it is not a polynomial. Third case, yes, it is also a polynomial. If variable is not there, then also it is polynomial. It can be said as constant polynomial. So this is also polynomial. Fourth is not a polynomial, because x is written in the square root. Okay. Fifth is also not a polynomial, because x is in denominator, variable is in denominator. And the sixth one is a polynomial, because here every power of the variable is positive only. Okay. So variable of the power will be always a natural, always a whole number. It cannot be negative, it cannot be fraction, and it cannot go into the denominator like that. Okay. Third, classify the following as monomial, binomial, trinomial. You have to do yourself. Fourth, add the following polynomials. You can do yourself. I already explained how to add, combine the like terms, and then you can add. You can use the column method also. Both the methods I have already explained. Then fifth question, subtract the following. That also you can use two methods, the horizontal method and column method. Sixth, what should be added to a square plus 7a to make 9a square minus 14a. So now from question number 6, I am going to explain some question from question number 6, 7, 8 and 9. So the question number 6. Before explaining question number 6, just think. What should be added? Just try to find out the answer of my one question. What should be added to 15 to get 100? What should you will add to 15 to get 100? We will add 85 to 15 and we will get 100. How do we got the answer 85? We need to subtract 100 minus 15. That is, from the second number, we will subtract the first number. From the second number, we will subtract the first number. We will get our answer. If someone asks you, what should be added to 10 to get 50? What should be added to 10 to get 50? We will get answer 40. How do we get 40? 50 minus 10. From the second number, we will subtract the first number. So here also, we need to do what should be added to a square plus 7a to make 9a square minus 14a. This is the case of polynomial, but the rule will remain same. From the second polynomial, we will subtract the first polynomial and we will get the answer. So here in the solution, I have written from the second polynomial. So second polynomial I will write at first position and then first polynomial and then we will subtract. Okay, and afterwards you know how to do the subtraction. Okay, subtraction I have already explained. I have solved also. You can see the solution and you can understand it yourself. But what was the question? Actually, I want to explain the question. What we need to do in that question? What should be added to a square plus 7a to make 9a square minus 14a? This kind of question we have done so many times in the chapter integers, in the chapter fraction, in the other chapters, in the natural numbers. So many times we have done that. What should be added to 10 to get minus 40? What should be added to 10 to get 100? What we will do? 100 minus 10. Answer will be 90. That means 90 should be added to 10 to get 100. So here also in the case of polynomial, rules will not change. Anyway, the basic rules of mathematics will never change. Okay. So subtract the first polynomial from the second polynomial. Similarly, now look at the seventh question. What should be subtracted from ab plus 1 to make it 5ab minus 5? Now, just think about other question. What should be subtracted from 50 to get 10? 40. Answer will be 40. How do we got 40? 50 minus 10. From the first polynomial, now we are subtracting the second polynomial. Okay. What should be subtracted from 100 to get 80? 20 should be subtracted. How do we got 20? 100 minus 80. Okay, 100 minus 80. From the first polynomial, we are subtracting the second. Sorry, from the first number, we are subtracting the second number. So here also, from the first polynomial, I will subtract the second polynomial. Okay, so first polynomial, I will write at the first position. We have to subtract the second polynomial. So first minus second polynomial. So ab plus 1 minus 5ab minus 5. Now we know how to do subtraction. We will open the bracket. This minus 5ab, this minus minus, we will write plus, minus minus. I will write plus. Be careful with the symbols. Dear students, be very careful with the symbols. Minus, plus, plus, minus. Don't make mistakes. Otherwise, you will get 0 marks only. Okay. So, be very careful with the symbol. Then there is simple addition and subtractions only. Combine the like terms and add or subtract. Now in the question number 8, Edward went to market, bought a packet of chips for rupees 3x square plus y and chocolate for rupees y square plus 2y. How much did he pay in total? Total means we need to add. So that question you need to do yourself. And in question number 9, the rectangle has a length x square plus 4y cube and breadth is minus 2x square plus y cube. What is its parameter? So, what I will write, the length of rectangle is given, breadth of rectangle is given, and we need to find the parameter of rectangle. That is 2 multiply length plus breadth. Parameter of rectangle formula is 2 multiply length plus breadth. So, first of all, I will add this length plus breadth in the bracket. Now, you already knows how to add the polynomials. Combining the like terms and then we will add each like terms only. X square minus 2x square, it will be minus x square. 4y cube plus y cube, it will be 5y cube. Now we need to multiply it by 2. So 2 multiplied by minus x square, it will be minus 2x square, and 2 multiplied by 5, it will be 10 y cube. 2 5s are 10 and y cube will remain as it is only. Digit will be multiplied by the digit and write the y cube as it is. Okay, so that is our final answer, that the parameter of rectangle will be minus 2x square plus 10y cube. So dear students, try to solve all the other questions of this exercise as I already explained. If you have any doubt, then you can ask me by the comments, by in the portal, or you can WhatsApp me also on my number. Okay, thank you.